Welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming called inheritance. We will look at how it allows us to reuse code effectively and build cleaner applications using Python. Let's start with a simple analogy. In the real world, children inherit traits from their parents like eye color or height. In Python, inheritance works in a similar way. We can create a new class, often called the child class, that automatically takes on, or inherits, the attributes and methods of an existing class, known as the parent class. The parent class, also known as the base class, is the blueprint containing the code you want to reuse. It is defined just like any other normal class. Here, we have an animal class with a basic initializer and a method called speak. This defines the generic behavior for all animals. To create a child class, we simply pass the name of the parent class inside parentheses when defining it. In this example, we define a class called dog and pass animal inside the parentheses. By doing this, the dog class automatically gets access to everything the animal class has. It is now effectively an animal. Let's see this in action. Even though our dog class body is empty, containing only the pass keyword, we can still create a dog instance and call the speak method. This works because dog inherited speak from animal. We can also access attributes like name that were set up by the parent's initializer. The real power comes when we extend functionality. Children aren't limited to just what their parents have. They can add their own unique methods. Here, our dog class inherits the init and speak methods, but we have added a new method called fetch. This fetch method is exclusive to the dog class. Sometimes, the generic behavior from the parent class isn't quite right for the child. In that case, we can override it. By defining a method in the child class with the exact same name as one in the parent class, the child's version will replace the parent's version. Now, when our dog speaks, it barks instead of making a generic sound. What if you want to use the parent's logic, but add a little extra on top? You don't have to rewrite it. You can use the super function. Calling super.speak allows the dog to execute the animal's speak method first, and then continue with its own code. This is incredibly useful for extending initialization logic. So, why should you use inheritance? First, it promotes code reusability. You write the common logic once and reuse it everywhere. Second, it provides a clear structure that mirrors real-world relationships. And third, it improves maintainability. If you fix a bug in the parent class, that fix automatically propagates to all child classes. To wrap up, remember that inheritance allows a child class to adopt methods from a parent class using the parentheses syntax. You can add new methods or override existing ones to customize behavior. And finally, don't forget the super function when you need to access the parent scope. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.